Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to TechUp YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can update a Shazam app on iPhone, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, you need to open the App Store, and now once you open it you will be able to see the interface on in the screen where you need to search for the Shazam in the search bar. And now once you search for it you will be able to see an app at top on in the screen where it is distinguishable by its logo and is developed by Apple itself. And don't forget, you will find the open option at the right side. So instead of open option you will be able to see the update. So simply tap on that update option and your update will begin automatically. And once you complete your update, simply tap on the open and yeah, you will be able to access it successfully. So basically this is how you can update Shazam app on your iPhone. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.